Arrival Capital Management with an investment update. Today is November 11th, 2008. We're almost halfway through the fourth quarter of 2008, and obviously 2008 has been a horrendous year for the financial markets, one of the worst years on record. There's no way to sugarcoat it except to say that I think we are getting through the worst of this financial panic, and we are in the process of finding some stability in the stock market. And from there, I think this financial panic subsides, and as the name implies, what we've been going through, this financial panic, it's really a time when irrationality rules, and there's a complete disconnect between the prices that securities are selling for and any meaningful measure of what they're intrinsically worth. Our strategy has been to try and accumulate cash for clients on the way down, both as a buffer to further declines in the market as a whole, and also to use as ammunition to find stocks that are selling at historically cheap levels, and to help augment and rebuild portfolios that can once again create wealth for our clients. The process has not been easy. And we've been in a situation where many of the foundation, the bedrocks on which our financial and securities markets rest have really been unraveling. That's been a tough situation to work through. But by focusing on companies that have real value, whether it's their brands, the buildings they own, the assets they have, those values are not just going to melt away. There is going to continue to be an economy. People will continue to work and buy products and invest. It's just not happening so much right now. And so prices of investments are being buffeted around, fluctuating wildly. That will come to an end and will get better. And then I believe portfolio values will once again reflect the underlying strength of the companies that make up those portfolios. So that's what we're focused on. Again, the watchword is have enough cash to get through this period, and hopefully have enough cash to take advantage of really what is a world that is on sale for an investor. As with any sale, some of the stuff is junk, no matter how cheap it is. But there are good values out there, and our role is to try and find those for you, as well as prudently manage our clients' funds so that we continue to protect against the downside to the extent possible, and yet be there every day and try and see when it's safe to start putting meaningful amount of client dollars back to work, and hopefully create portfolios that will once again create wealth. Just as we've gone down quicker than anyone could expect it, sometimes these things can turn. No one knows when. They don't ring a bell when the market bottoms. But Arrival Capital is focused on being there every day, looking at every possible opportunity, and hopefully being able to put money to work once again when its volatility declines and real value has a chance to show itself, and stock prices and investment values have a chance once again to work themselves higher. So again, I'm happy to answer any questions of clients or those who just want to talk about their own investments and have someone else to bounce ideas off. And I thank you for listening, and I look forward to speaking with you again. Thanks.